In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch Steam game trailers quickly and easily right from the Steam store. If you've ever wanted to see gameplay, cinematics, or the official trailer before buying a game, this is the fastest way to do it. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software and gaming guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to the Steam store. You can type store.steampowered.com into the address bar and press enter. Once the page loads, you'll be on the main Steam storefront where you can browse games, deals, and featured content. Next, use the search bar in the top right corner to find any game you want to check out. You can type the name of a game you're curious about, then select it from the search results. This will take you directly to that game's store page. On the game's store page, look near the top of the page for the media section. This is usually where Steam places the main video preview player, screenshots, and other promotional media. The trailer is often the first thing displayed, so it's easy to find once you know where to look. Now click the play button on the trailer video. The trailer should begin playing immediately, giving you a quick look at the game's visuals, style, and gameplay. This is especially useful if you want to compare games before downloading or buying. If you want to switch between trailers and screenshots, use the arrows beside the media section. Steam lets you move through the available media one by one, so you can browse more trailers or view screenshots without leaving the page. This is a great way to get a better feel for the game. And if you want a bigger viewing experience, click the full screen icon on the video player. Full screen makes it much easier to watch the trailer clearly, especially if you want to see the details, the graphics, or the overall presentation. That's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can watch Steam game trailers directly from the store page and quickly decide whether a game looks worth your time. No extra downloads, no complicated setup, just open the game page and press play. If this walkthrough helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.